Welcome to Big Gully's Garage. Welcome back to the Seagulls Massive 323 channel with the side spin-off of the Big Gully's Garage. Little side projects that we do here in the garage. Basically, we're going to continue working on the box trailer and picked up some interlocking foam mats, some reflectors, trailer pins, and a full wiring kit. I'm going to redo the wire on this and replace the lights. So picked up another aggressive cup just to get this deck done, and we'll finish up painting off the front as well, get it all black, and then I'll do in some little stripes and stuff just to make it stand out a bit better. We'll put on some Roo shoes. These lights are a bit shagged as well. They do work, but I'm just going to take them off. And that one, yeah, it's pretty much had it, so we'll get them all fixed up and continue on with the trailer. And as you can see, all of the instructions are on the inside, how to wire that very easy. Now I've also got this kindly drawn up for me by the lead auto electrician from work. He's kindly done this little flow chart for me to follow on how to do things, but also a little special shout out to my man Big J from work, who's given me the instructions to start from the side but feed the cable in through and then up all as one, including this little loop here, and then wire it accordingly. Do the snip, which will be much easier with the loop because you'll have all that you need to tuck it up nicely, and then feed it up through to the plug for testing. So thank you very much, Big J there, for the special tip. I will be following that on this final little bit here for the wiring up of the lights and the plug. Oh, and if you know, you know, mate, but they're already gone. That was so very VIP, limited edition, special edition, one time only. But they're already gone.
What the heck?
So I've done a little thing, so Roo shoe, reflectors, put the LED on and another reflector. Oh yeah, baby. And as you can see on this side, same deal. Another Roo shoe, another fleck. Got the white reflectors on the front done. Oh baby. And the cage is pretty much well done. The floor's looking tidy, and I've jimmied up this little box thing here so that my roof pod can sit on as well. So this is going to actually double up as quite a nice little camp trailer slash. I can remove this and then put a motorbike in too. Got a bit of checkerboard too that I managed to save from work, from fabrication. So the lead down at fabrication, thank you very much for letting me save that out of the recycling bin. And as you can see, that bumper is almost ready to go on. So I've got a few more little things to do there, and that's going to get on hopefully by this weekend.